RECAF News, October 2022. If all goes well, Namibia will be supplying Zambia with over 100,000 barrels of fuel a day through a 2,000 barrels oil and gas pipeline, stretching from Walvis Bay to Lusaka. The plan was launched with the signing of an agreement on the cooperation in facilitating private sector development and implementation of an oil products and natural gas pipeline project. RECAF held a site visit in Namibia for the first time to investors and analysts. The event included a series of presentations and a field tour focused on community water wells, and site visits to the 6-2 stratigraphic well and the Mekindina 8-2 exploration well, the first of 4 seismically identified exploration wells. Granted by the community, the company's operations in the Kavango Basin are underpinned by an extremely high level of social license and received a strong message of support from a network of stakeholders. Grayson Anderson, head of capital markets at RECAF, told delegates at the annual African Oil Week taking place in Cape Town this week that Namibia was currently the hotspot for the oil and gas industry, thanks to the ongoing finds in the area. He said RECAF had just completed drilling of its 3rd exploration well, and the results were extremely positive. Drilling of a 4th well is expected to start in the coming weeks. We are targeting over 2 million barrels. Our area of 8.5 million acres is one of the largest undeveloped onshore basins globally. He said once commissioned, production would start small and build up over time. Our initial target is the export of 50,000 barrels per day that will be moved by truck and rail to the port of Walvis Bay for export. As the project scales up and upgrades, the long-term plan will be to build a pipeline from the Kavango Basin to the port for exports.